Hello, Vogue. It's Coco. I'm so excited. This is gonna be my everyday skincare routine and my makeup, my quick girl, just do it routine. Let's go. I'm gonna do a cleanser. I like something simple with a purpose. I don't fully know what toner does. It does something though. And I don't use a cotton pad. Put it on my hands. As YouTube and all of the social media platforms got more popular, I got more into what acne even is. Because one thing about a dark spot, it's gonna be there for a cute 3 to 4 business months. So I'm just trying to avoid the process entirely. Next, I'm gonna do my moisturizer. I just use a little bit. I'm gonna do some sunscreen. All my melanin queens, you do need sunscreen, girl. Do you want your dark spots to literally get darker? Okay, next I'm gonna use some Glow Recipe to really give me that shine that I'm looking for. Focusing mainly on like where I really wanna shine because the oil will do the rest. Skincare has definitely been trial and error, especially when I was in that stage of like, I can do this better than a professional. I think for me, I made it too complicated when really I just needed a simple routine with quality ingredients. And I had to learn that the hard way. I like glossy and I like hydrating. That's just what works for me. Skin is done. I'm feeling glow.com. Hello, good morning. And now it's time for my makeup. I'm gonna do the brows first. Me and my brows, I just don't play about them because I had a very bad experience with brows. One time I let this girl tweeze them and they literally looked like parentheses. Right before I went on stage, for months, my brows didn't grow back. So I learned how to draw them perfectly. I'm really, really particular about my brows. Today I wanna give like, I just left the threading room. Let's do skin. I mix shades like a mixologist. I'm not gonna commit to mixing them yet, but I just wanna see what they look like on my hand. Just a little hand palette, My makeup artist just put me onto these. Oh, that's good too. I'm gonna take this darker one and go like right around here with it. Also in my forehead. And then I'm gonna bring like these lighter moments. I just get to blending. I don't really know what's gonna happen at the end of the day. When I was growing up, I didn't know much about makeup and my mom would do my makeup. Plus I was like an industry kid, so I'm doing all types of performances and whatnot. I say that those were my potato phase era. It was basically one shade, one note, one song, and you're gonna like it. There is absolutely way more hope, way more diversity, way more help out there than when I was doing my Disney Channel days looking like a flat face. I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter Powder in 470. And then I just like tap on a little bit, see what happened. Am I okay? Everything's fine. When I do my nose contour, I also just take it to my eye crease because sometimes that's all you're gonna get from me is a little contour that slipped into my eye crease. My NARS concealers are gonna be next. I start with like a more yellow concealer around here. One of the things that I really, really appreciate and respect about my makeup artist is the power of blending. I think sometimes I just get so, okay, let's go. Especially with them, I'm like, what are we doing? It's been 2 hours. But they are really just making sure that it's all seamless. This is what they also taught me, my makeup artist, because you don't want it to crease. You look up like, hey there, Lord, it's me. This is a Fashion Fair Set It loose powder. I'm just gonna put like some of it in my hand. I'm just gonna pat this one more time, look up, get those creases out of here. Keep looking up, don't you dare look down. You're free, you're free. Hopefully you set yourself up for a non-crease day. I'm rooting for you, I'm rooting for myself. Next, I'm going to do my contour and my blush moment. When I'm doing my makeup, honestly, sometimes it's like silence. I'm really just thinking about what I have to do that day. Sometimes life is moving so fast. I just use my makeup time to just be a little more still. Going back in with that Fenty shade that I mentioned to you guys, I do like this, and I just look for wherever the shadow starts. My next thing is blush. Love this L'Oreal Super Rosy Pink blush. It's just perfect for during the day, not trying to do too much, but giving, I'm embarrassed, I'm shy. This is a perfect color for that. Unfortunately, the brows have sort of left the chat, and that's not acceptable. So we're gonna re-establish them as important partners in this firm. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face a little loosely. Being nominated for 5 Grammys is not something that I feel like I ever will fully digest. I think it's crazy because I've only released a debut EP, so to have this much recognition is just not what I expected, you know? I kept my expectations low, just in case. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, you guys. Truly, honestly, my stylist is having a field day. I personally want to feel myself, but I also want to do something that I've never done before, make a moment, since this is really like a moment in time of my life. Like, this is a highlight that I'll never ever forget. I am gonna do an outfit change. I just learned that today. I'm just gonna like carve out my brows a little bit. So I'm gonna use some of my lighter foundation and my concealer because I just don't want it to be too bright. I want everything to be seamless. I love collabs. I feel like they're a great opportunity to get a new fan base, to just creatively extend yourself to another world. Love me some Renee. Renee Rapp is that girl. You know something that I really want to do? I want to do like a rapper with like me on the hook. I feel like that's just so 90s. My dream collab would be, honestly, Beyonce, Rihanna. I just personally want to learn from the women who have come before me. They're still so successful and so relevant and so like culture shifting as creatives that's the goal for me, that type of longevity. I'm gonna set my brows with this Benefit Brow Gel because I'm satisfied with who they are. This is also a Danessa Myricks palette. Look at these, they're so like pop shine. I'm just gonna do like a little shine on my lid. This is Fearless. I love this color. Honestly, I love all the names because they're giving very affirmation, and that's per to me. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of my contour and put that in the crease. Okay, I do wanna do some eyeliner. This is kind of a wing moment. I don't do anything too dramatic. Next, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I am very proud of my eyelashes, you guys. I have to be real with you. I have been tempted and pressed to do eyelash extensions, and I don't think it's my truth. I'm scared to get rid of my natural lashes. They're really good. So basically I look up like this and I just press them up. And then I kind of do like this, wink, wink, wink. Then this one, wink, wink. Then you're gonna go right at the tail, right at the end of the lashes. And you're just gonna hook, line, and sinker. Twist it out, you know? Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this is how I literally don't have to apply lashes. Now I'm gonna do one of my favorite parts. Oh, is lining my lips. I'm gonna take my Fenty Glow Lip Gloss Girl because she's really cute. And I'm just gonna put it right in the center. I liked that. I liked exactly where it went. And that's just all I need to do there. My other lip liner, it's gonna go under my eyes. I'm gonna set my face. Be careful with your edges. This is K-Skin. Finish it off with your perfume, girl. This is My Way, Giorgio Armani. Thank you so much, Vogue, for having me. This was seriously so fun. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.